welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an easy no oven baked cake, chocolate cake. It's gonna be so delicious, guys. Just a disclaimer, make sure you have a steel pan and a glass cover to put over the pan, and I'm telling you, this is going to be delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Drop some comments down below. Also, don't forget to check out some recent links for my videos. Let's get right into this video. we've come to the end of this video, and I want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I want to say a big thank you to all of my supporters who have been supporting all of my videos, liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. I see you guys. We're on the road to 500 subscribers. We're almost there, and let's get ready. I post every Friday, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.